It's another rainy day in the city, and everyone's excited for the government's new idea, which is the strawman umbrella policy.
Citizens, great news! Under our new policy, everyone will be protected from the rain.
Wow, that sounds amazing. So where's my umbrella?
Oh, we're still planning to give them out. So for now, just pretend you have one.
This isn't working. My hair's a puddle.
Mayor, this policy is all talk, no cover.
Yeah, it looks good on paper, but it doesn't keep us dry.
So this is what they call strawman policy. It sounds smart but solves nothing.
Breaking news! Citizens are demanding real umbrellas instead of imaginary ones.